You want to make money. You want freedom. Imagine waking up without an alarm clock, setting your own schedule, and working from anywhere in the world. You want to be your own boss. Freelancing is your answer. No upfront investment needed. No more commuting, no more office politics, just hustle, just heart. It's about putting in the effort and loving what you do. This is the real deal. No corporate BS, no one to micromanage you. You provide a service, you get paid. Simple. Freelancing is exploding. The demand for skilled freelancers is higher than ever. People need talented individuals like you. Your skills are valuable. Writing, design, marketing, coding. The opportunities are endless. You can choose projects that excite you. No degree, no problem. Your portfolio speaks louder than a diploma. Skills matter more than a piece of paper. Show what you can do, and clients will come. Are you ready to crush it? Let's go. The world is waiting for your talent. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable career. It's about hard work and dedication. Every project is a step towards your goals. You build your own success. You control your destiny. Your future is in your hands. This is the new way of working. Are you in? Join the freelancing revolution and take charge of your life. First step, what are you good at? What do you enjoy? Don't overthink it. Write down everything. This is your skills inventory. It's a powerful tool that will guide you on your freelance journey. Can you write a killer blog post? Think about the topics you're passionate about and the audience you want to reach. Design a logo that pops. Your creativity can help businesses stand out in a crowded market. Maybe you're a social media guru. These are valuable skills. Companies need experts to manage their online presence and engage with their audience. Think about your hobbies too. Love photography? Your eye for detail can capture moments that last a lifetime. People will pay for amazing photos. Your passion can turn into a profitable business. Good at a foreign language? This skill opens doors to global opportunities. Translation services are in high demand. You can bridge communication gaps and connect cultures. You already have what it takes. Now monetize it. Don't undervalue your abilities. Know your worth and charge accordingly. Everyone has something unique to offer. Focus on your strengths. Collaborate with others to expand your reach and learn new skills. Become the best at what you do. Continuous learning and improvement are key to staying ahead in the freelance game. That's how you win in the freelance game. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. Clients need proof. Show them what you can do. Build a portfolio. No budget, no problem. Use free platforms like Google Docs, Canva, or Behance. Create samples specifically tailored to your target clients. Write blog posts on Medium, design social media graphics for a friend's business, offer free services to gain experience and testimonials. A strong portfolio speaks volumes. It's your ticket to landing high-paying gigs. Section 4. Platforms that pay no fees, all hustle. There are tons of platforms connecting freelancers with clients. Many are free to join. Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com. Explore your options. Create a compelling profile. Highlight your skills and experience. Apply for jobs that match your skill set. Don't be afraid to start small. Every project is a chance to learn and grow. Deliver exceptional work. Get positive reviews. Build your reputation. The money will follow. Trust the process. Section 5. Network like a boss. It's free and effective. Networking is key. Attend free online events. Join relevant Facebook groups. Engage with potential clients on Twitter and LinkedIn. Be active. Be helpful. Build genuine relationships. Word of mouth is powerful. Tell everyone you know you're open for business. Offer referral bonuses. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities will come your way. It's all about putting yourself out there. Section 6. Brand you. Social media is your friend. Build your personal brand. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is not just an option, it's a necessity. Social media platforms are powerful tools that can help you establish and grow your personal brand. Create a professional online presence. Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Make sure it reflects your skills, experiences, and achievements accurately. A well-crafted profile can attract potential clients and collaborators. Use social media to showcase your work, share your expertise, and connect with potential clients. It's free marketing. Consistency is key. Post regularly. Engage with your followers. Use relevant hashtags. Share behind-the-scenes content, success stories, and client testimonials to build credibility. Position yourself as an expert in your field. Write blog posts, create videos, or host webinars to share your knowledge. This not only helps others, but also establishes you as a thought leader. People hire people they know, like, and trust. Make them trust you. Engage in meaningful conversations, respond to comments, and show appreciation for your followers. Building relationships is crucial. Start building your freelance empire today. Take on diverse projects to showcase your versatility and expand your portfolio. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. The world is your oyster. With the power of social media, you can reach clients and collaborators from all over the globe. Don't limit yourself to local opportunities. Now go out there and crush it. Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and keep pushing forward. Your freelance journey is what you make of it. Embrace the challenges and enjoy the rewards.